Understanding when to replace your water heater's anode rod is crucial for preventing tank corrosion and maximizing your water heater's lifespan. Here's a typical water heater with its anode rod. This sacrificial component protects your tank from corrosion by corroding itself instead of the tank walls. Experts generally recommend replacing the anode rod every 3 to 5 years. However, this timeline can vary significantly based on several important factors. Water quality is the most significant factor affecting anode rod lifespan. Hard water and softened water can both accelerate corrosion, potentially requiring more frequent replacements. Usage patterns also matter significantly. Higher hot water demand means the anode rod works harder and may need replacement sooner than the standard timeline. Here's what a severely corroded anode rod looks like compared to a new one. Regular inspection is essential to catch deterioration before it's too late. Experts recommend annual inspections, checking the rod every 1 to 3 years. Replace it when more than 50% is corroded to maintain optimal protection. Ignoring anode rod maintenance can void your water heater's warranty and significantly shorten its lifespan. However, staying proactive with replacements can potentially double your water heater's life. Remember, the 3 to 5 year replacement window is just a guideline. Your specific water conditions and usage patterns will determine the actual replacement frequency needed for optimal protection. Recognizing the warning signs of a failing anode rod is crucial for maintaining your water heater. There are several clear indicators that tell you when replacement is needed. The most obvious sign is discolored water coming from your hot water taps. When you see rusty, brown, or murky water, it often indicates your anode rod is no longer protecting the tank effectively. A rotten egg smell in your hot water is another clear warning sign. This sulfur odor typically indicates bacterial growth in the tank, often occurring when the anode rod can no longer control the water chemistry. You may also notice reduced hot water output, strange pinging or knocking sounds from the tank, or a metallic taste in your hot water. These all indicate internal corrosion is occurring. Now let's examine what a deteriorating anode rod actually looks like. This visual comparison shows the dramatic difference between a new rod and one that needs replacement. Anode rods deteriorate gradually over time. This diagram shows the 4 stages of depletion, from new to completely consumed. When your rod reaches 50% depletion, it's time to plan for replacement. Choosing the right type of anode rod is essential for optimal protection. There are 3 main types, each designed for specific water conditions and applications. Magnesium anode rods are generally more effective in softer water conditions. They provide excellent protection, but may corrode faster in hard water environments. Aluminum anode rods are more durable and ideal for hard water conditions. They last longer than magnesium rods, but are less suitable for homes with water softeners. Zinc anode rods are primarily used to combat sulfur smells in water. They're often aluminum rods with a small amount of zinc added, specifically for odor control. Powered anode rods are a recent innovation that use low-voltage electric current for protection. They don't corrode and require minimal maintenance, making them excellent for homes with water softeners. While do-it-yourself replacement is possible for experienced homeowners, professional plumbers can ensure proper installation and address potential complications like corroded fittings or difficult access. Regular monitoring and timely replacement of your anode rod, combined with choosing the right type for your water conditions, will significantly extend your water heater's lifespan and maintain water quality.